Now my hands are all gross. That's not like a sneeze or anything, he's just sweaty. Uh-oh. Spotted the boy. Going in?
Almost.
Oh, hey Brun, what forks do I have? I have Shadow Voltus rims and that's it. Savage.
What?
Aren't they Voltus?
No, for the bars, no.
Corvus?
Corvus.
Oh, that's rip.
Rip.
Like I just buy parts, I just don't really give a f. And now I'm doing a bike check. This sucks.
Yep.
I ride bikes, I don't fix them. I can start it off.
Yep, you could go from front to back, top to bottom.
33 by the way. 33 opposite.
30. Dude, nobody gives a f, man. They just want to buy them because they're polished.
They just want to buy them because you ride them.
Sponsor me, Dan's, Glenn. All right, so you want me to start?
Yep, you could go front. Do you want to do front to back? Give yourself an order so you don't mess up.
I'll probably f it up either way, but it's all right. Let's just do it.
Let's just do it.
All right, so I got my nice ODI bar ends. Gotta ride sick bar ends. There's literally no difference, but they just say ODI, so they're sick. Got the Hucker grips. Shit's dope. Got the new volume bars. Chrome Boys, 9.25. Let's see. Got the Credence stem. I thought.
Take two.
No, I think you should just leave that in there.
Oh, that's big in there.
Just leave it in there and then cut to him like correcting that shit.
All right, so yeah, you know, Challenger stem. I got my Sunday headset. They're all the same. They all spin. Got my E-Clap stream forks. Pretty sweet. I mean, they're chrome. That's kind of cool, I guess. I ride Shadow Little One pegs, front and rear. I got Profile Elites, front and rear. Shadow Corvus, front and rear, because you know, matching wheel sets, they're always the best. Let's see, got some Odyssey JCPC pedals, grip like a sumbitch. Can that go in there? Can I say that?
Oh, you say that, man.
Okay, cool. Sick, dude. I'm just fucking going for it.
This is my YouTube channel. We can say what we want.
That's sick, dude. All right. Let's see. I got this sick Madeira seat. I mean, it's a seat. I mean, it's kind of cool. The guy behind the camera bought that shit for me because he's a homie. I got the LaGuardia Sprocket. Watercolor. Pretty sweet. Can't get it no more. I'm pretty special. I got the new Odyssey caliber cranks. 175. They're chrome too. Shit's dope. And that's about it, right? We good? We Gucci?
This is the part where we cut to riding clips?
I think so.
Alright, well, I guess riding clips.